How to send photos in TikTok message. Guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you send photos in TikTok message. So let's get started. On this process, first you'll have to open TikTok app with your logged in account. Alright, so once you open the TikTok app in your device, you'll got such interface. So now from here, you'll have to open the inbox section from the bottom right corner. So simply tap on this inbox icon. And now from the inbox section, you'll have to just choose the conversation whom you want to send the photos. So simply I'm selecting this one. And now from the conversation to send the photos, you'll have to just tap on this camera icon just at the bottom left corner. And now from here to send the photos in TikTok message, you'll got two options. So you can send the photos by capturing from your camera and send it, or as usual you can also send from your gallery. So for that you'll have to just tap on this gallery icon just at the bottom right corner. And now from here simply you have to select image whom you want to send. Alright, so after you select the image, you'll have to just tap on this send option. And now you are done. So this is the easiest and simplest method to send photos in TikTok message. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.